Niagara Falls on the Canada side, and so excited because we're about to go on a really fun tour, so we'll bring you along with us.
Let's do it!
Woo-hoo! Yeah. Too slow.
Much water coming down this thing, it could fill our water tank in probably like 2 milliseconds.
Oh my gosh. Wow. That was so fun doing the journey behind the falls. Really great views. And next we are gonna head onto a boat, which should be really fun. Yeah.
So wet, but that was so crazy.
That was crazy. It's so much fun. I just got off the boat and that was so much fun.
Yeah, it was so worth it. It's kind of like an amusement park where you're just riding through a water slide or something like that. It was nuts.
Yeah, but time to get out of here.
You're funny.
I haven't wanted pop. Incline railway. Oh, there's stairs. I almost did too. We got to do it.
So that incline railway was alright. Not too bad.
I liked it.
Yeah, but we're stopping at the casino to pick up lunch.
Yum yum.
A few moments later.
We were super tired and we just relaxed at the hotel for a little bit. But since we're only here for a short time, we figured we gotta keep going today. And now we're at a winery.
We're in the Niagara-on-the-Lake region, and there are a bunch of vineyards. It's kind of like a Napa area of Canada, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, so this region has this unique wine called ice wine because it gets so cold. I think they said -10 Celsius. But anyways, we're gonna try some of that because, you know, where else can we get this? Who knows?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're at Inniskillin Winery. And we have some special guests. Ooh.
Hello!
Hey. This is Kathy and Jim, Liana's parents and my in-laws. Meeting up with family can be kind of tough when you're living on the road, but honestly, what better way to do it than meeting somewhere new and traveling together? Huge shout out to them for sponsoring this entire video. You'll be seeing them throughout. Thanks so much, Kathy and Jim.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Insulin ice wine. Perfect for the diabetes.
Ice wine.
Walking around town looking for a place to eat. It's hard to find something that's dog friendly and also appealing sounding, but it sounds kind of cool. It's a little busy right now because it is Sunday dinner time, but there are lots of flowers around, so it's kind of fun to walk around and look at all the shops and whatnot. But let's look for a dinner place.
Sounds good. We stopped at the Budapest Bake Shop and got a chimney cake. Looks delicious.
And it is amazing.
We're gonna share it. It closes at 7, so we had to get dessert before dinner.
Dessert first.
Dessert first. Dessert first.
Dessert first.
Oh my god.
What do you think? What do you rate it out of 10?
11.
11! That's so good. It's like flaky, kind of like a croissant. 12.
20.
20, wow, that's higher than 11.
87. No, 13.
Plus 87 is 100. Taylor Swift.
Perfect number.
Alright, so you heard it here. You gotta try Budapest Bake Shop chimney cakes. Yum yum. Dinner time, yum. We got some French onion soup and a Caesar salad with chicken.
Yeah, not too shabby. So we ended up at Bistro 6. And it's pretty nice. Not too shabby.
Let's dig in. That was a long day, but we had so much fun. We really enjoyed dinner and walking around Niagara-on-the-Lake, but it is so nice to be back at our hotel and we are ready for bed soon. But we do get to enjoy the nightly fireworks, so we'll check those out, head to bed, and see you in the morning.
Yeah, we should have a lot of fun tomorrow.
Yeah. Good night.
Good night, Mrs. Bailey Bottoms.
Breakfast with a view.
Yeah, look how beautiful these pancakes are.
Look at how beautiful Horseshoe Falls, Niagara Falls.
But did you see the pancakes?
They look delicious. Yum. He's writing. Have a good day.
Gotta love some pancakes in the morning. They're just so good and fluffy and just hits the spot with very little nutritional value.
Oh, they're tasty, but we've been having some good breakfast at this hotel, and you may be wondering, what the heck are you guys even doing at a hotel? Because don't you live in a van? Yes, we do, but we are on a road trip right now with my parents, and this is the perfect way to get together with them. They're normally living in Hawaii, and they're retired now, traveling all over the place, so I kind of pitched it to them, hey, we're gonna be in the northeast of the US, do you want to come do a fall road trip with us? And they said sure, and met up with us.
So yeah, we've been super spoiled with all these beautiful hotels. Like this one right now is so incredible with a beautiful view of the Niagara Falls, which is the American Falls, the Horseshoe Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls, is what we learned on the tours yesterday. But it's so amazing.
Yeah, and I love this hotel. There are so many great amenities. I think the highlight of this hotel is absolutely the room with the falls view, because where else do you get to just stay in a hotel and look out and see incredible waterfalls?
Yeah, and even from just here, like the Canada side is so much better than the US side. Like looking all across the river over here, the hotels over there probably don't have nearly as nice of a view as what we have here. So if you're planning to come to Niagara Falls and want to stay in a hotel, definitely stay on the Canada side.
Yeah, and we're at the Embassy Suites by Hilton, and it is gorgeous. We've had free breakfast every day. The hotel is really nice, great location. It's really easy to just walk down to the falls. And oh, and then we had a little
surprise visit by the cleaning guy.
No, I was gonna say, there's also a bubble bath, like jacuzzi in the room, which is really fun. That has a window out to actually see the view. But yeah, this hotel has been incredible. There's so much to do in the whole Niagara Falls area. Like you saw yesterday, we had a really fun tour, but there's also zip lining, virtual flight option, whitewater walk, different boat tours, hydroelectric like power station that you can go to that has a whole like night production. The falls are beautiful all day long, but at night they light them up with different colors, and then they have fireworks every single night. It's like a huge
Amusement
Yeah,
park,
it feels like
yeah.
an amusement park.
Yeah.
And it's so much fun. So highly recommend visiting.
Yeah, add it to your list. But today we're actually checking out of our hotel and we're gonna continue on our road trip.
We're gonna experience a little bit of the US side of Niagara Falls. So there is Goat Island. There's a few different activities you can do on that side. So we'll bring you along with us over there.
Yeah, let's do it. That border crossing took forever. It was like an hour long with that wait, and the border guy actually opened our doors to kind of do a little quick inspection.
It was fast though, just a little open and close.
Yeah, fast and harmless, but we did make it to Niagara Falls State Park on the New York side, and it's pretty nice. The weather's working out for us today where it's nice and blue, but slightly cloudy, so we get nice cool and warm weathers, but let's go check it out.
Let's do it. Observation deck is pretty cool.
Yeah.
If you're doing the Made of the Mist boat tour at the bottom, then I think it's included because you have to go through here to get to the boats. But if you're just coming up here to see the view, it's like $1.25 per person, I think. So
Yeah,
not bad. Yeah,
not bad.
not bad, but not free.
Yeah. Grandma and Grandpa have taken the child away for the time being, so that means the adults get to play. So we're gonna go do the Cave of the Winds, which will get us up close to Bridal Veil Falls, which would be pretty nice and refreshing to
We've
say the
heard
least.
you get wet.
Yeah, so we're gonna see how that goes, but we might as well do the attractions while you're here, because how often are you gonna be here, right?
Why not? He just handed us ponchos. I don't know how wet we're gonna get. Here we go. Nice poncho.
Missed.
Cave of the Wind starts here.
So nuts.
It's crazy. We're just in the bottom and we're getting so wet already. Oh my gosh. I can't see anything. Can we go up there?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go up. You just handed us ponchos. I don't know how wet we're gonna get. Well, you get way more wet than I thought you were going to. But that was such a cool experience, like such a thrill. And so it's so beautiful the whole time. All the mist and it was creating rainbows everywhere you look.
It's very exciting, just like so noisy and just chaotic almost. And
They're powerful.
yeah,
Oh my gosh.
we're soaked right now.
Yeah, it's all in. I mean, I think the pod helped a little bit, but I definitely have water. We would never do that to you, Bailey. We're back at the car and we are wrapping up our Niagara Falls portion of the road trip, and it was so much fun. I think both the Canada side and the US side are worth visiting, but definitely worth staying on the Canada side. There's just a lot more going on. Definitely recommend both though. The US side today had some nice views, and it's worth doing the Cave of the Winds if you don't mind getting wet and want a little like thrill adventure.
Yeah, I mean, it's really exciting to do that kind of thing, so like, you might as well, because it's a lot of fun. It really is.
Yeah, so I think that's kind of like the best thing on the US side, in addition to just walking along the side of Niagara River through Niagara Falls State Park. There's so many nice viewpoints. You can see the falls in a lot of different spots. There's a boat on both sides, whether you're coming from the Canada side or the US side. You don't need to do both. They kind of do the same thing. But it's definitely worth going on one of them so you can get out in the water and see the falls from a different perspective. It's just incredible. So we've really loved our Niagara Falls portion of the trip, and where are we headed next?
How about you? So where do we go from